Welcome to Peace, Love, and Lucky. I'm Leticia, and this is my channel, clearly. So in this video, this is pretty much the other half of my first vision board video, which you should check out, link in the description, because I pretty much talk about the benefits of vision boards, why they work, how to make it more effective and help you manifest your dreams and your goals, whatever you put on there, desires, because ever since I've gotten one, I've been traveling more, accomplishing so many goals, like a lot has been happening. And people always wonder, how am I always having fun? How's this, how's that? Ever since I got a vision board, it's changed my life. So in this video, I'm gonna give you insight on pretty much how I make my vision boards, where I get the pictures, how I do this all, print them out, I feel like it's a very easy, efficient process for you guys to do, and I feel like it would be helpful. So I got that for you guys. Plus, I got a whole vision board making plan, so you don't have to do no thinking, just you can get started, and there's just no excuses for you to not do your vision board. Like, I have a whole plan, so it's a very easy and smooth process for you guys. And I want to motivate you guys, so I'm going to tell you some of the things I manifested in my 2019 vision board. So yeah, let's get to it. So let's talk about how to make a vision board. So like I said, it could be super simple. It could be a sticky note that just says your goal, and you see it every day, read it every day, whatever. Or it can be super cute, like mine. Mine was a little over the top, but like I love like arts and crafts and stuff like that, and that's why it's like that. But yours don't gotta be like that. It can be however you want to make it. Like I said, a piece of paper, poster board, stick some papers on there, whatever. Me, I recommend this for you if you want to do the more creative side. What I do, I go on my phone, go on Instagram or Google. You know, on Instagram you'll follow certain things. Like me, for example, I wanted to learn how to do a yoga forearm stand, and so I follow a lot of yoga people. So I found a picture that really resonated with me, and boop, screenshotted it, cropped it in my I edited it in my phone, just, which you don't have to get an app for. You edit it, you just crop it, take out like the excess stuff, and I would get pictures like that of anything I want from either Google Images or on my Instagram, and then crop them, email it to myself, and then I would go on my computer, go on like a Word document or something, and just like paste all the pictures on there. You know, make them a good size. Don't make them huge. Make them a good size so you can like fit them on like, you know, whatever poster board or whatever you're using, and put them all together like a little collage, and then you print them out and cut them out. And you're like, probably, where am I gonna get like it in color or print them out? Go to FedEx, what the heck? Go to like Office Depot, I think Staples, like, you know, those like office store places. Like, it costs like $1 to $2 a page, or like 50 cents or 10 cents. It's very cheap. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And I would just get a little flash drive, put it in my laptop or wherever you are. Flash drive costs like maybe $10. Save it on there, bring it to Office Depot or whatever, put it in their computer, print them out, and boom. Some people use magazines, and that's cool and a little cute, but sometimes you don't, I feel like you won't find the image that you want, and who wants to buy a bunch of, where are you gonna get, I mean, you could do that too. Let me not freaking be negative, I'm sorry. You can do that too, but I just find it more efficient for me to do that because I find the pictures that I want, and I don't have to worry about where am I gonna get magazines, is it gonna have the pictures I need that represent my goal. Yeah, so that's my biggest tip for you for making one, a super cute one. Get little arts and crafts stuff, glitter, whatever you want to do, and boom, you got a vision board. Here's a little, I'm giving you a plan, right? Mother trucking meow, okay? It is week 1 of December. Let's start brainstorming. Day 1. Boop. Grab a piece of paper. You can either make the categories like I've said earlier, or just, I think that's the easiest way, or you can find a goal setting piece of paper, but literally I think the categories help. And just think, what would I want to accomplish this year? What do I want for myself? Where do I want to go? Whatever. Brainstorm, start writing things down. Once you have that done, day 2, and you can all do this on day 1 too if you're a real pusher, but if that's too much for you, I'm spreading it out for you. But it's all up to you. Start looking for pictures, quotes, whatever you want for your vision board. And if you're just doing a sticky note, you could finish this all in a day. So if you're doing, you know, the picture one, the really cute one, whatever, the creative one, start looking for the pictures, because that's a little process itself, but it's pretty fun. Start looking for the pictures, screenshot them, prepare them, get them on the memory card, or however you're gonna do it, or get the magazines, however you want to do it. Get the pictures and stuff ready. Once you do that, day 3, go to Walmart, dollar store, doesn't matter. Balling on a budget. Freaking buy the supplies you need, which is like freaking glue, scissors, and like a poster board. If you want to do that, or you can be super creative and go more, but I'm just going for, you know, I'm trying to help anybody in whatever situation. Those 3 things, that's like what, like maybe $5 if you go to the dollar store. Like I said, no excuses, guys. And then you go to Office Depot or whatever, print that out. That'll probably be like an extra $3, probably like $10 tops for everything, okay? Do that, and you make it freaking day, I think we're on day 4. And you glue everything, get it all cute, however you want to do it, sprinkles, sparkles, I don't freaking know, and boom. You have your vision board. Post it up where you believe is a good place for you, where you see it every day, and you have your vision board. Start right now, guys. This is December. You got this. Start on your goals. If you're trying to work out, start going to the gym. Plan that day and go on that day. And if here's another really good tip for just goals, or wanting to do anything in your life. You know, when you're like, oh, I want to do this one day. Stop saying one day and like be like, you know what? Start making a plan. Like that's what's helped me out. I would always be like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do this, and it'll never happen. So I started being like, okay, I want to do this. Okay, how can I make it happen? What day am I going to do this? What time? Put that date, that time. If you want to accomplish anything, find a date and time. Anything. Boom, make it happen. Or like, yeah. Okay, I think I got everything, guys. Wow, guys. Oh my god. I did this video. I hope you guys like it. Just for a little motivation, I'm going to show you guys some of the things I accomplished in my vision board for 2019, and here it is. To be honest, I don't want to show you too much about my vision board, but I will show you certain things that I manifested, because I mean, it is kind of personal. Honestly, I don't care that much, but so I have a cute little frame. This is clearly a little extreme, like my goals and stuff. It's literally fancy AF. This is a cork board, so let me show you. So this is how ratchet, but I got it done. So the cork board, I had to like cut it up a little bit to make it fit in here. And then I put fabric around it, and I just used a hot glue gun for this to put it together. And yeah, so it would stay in. I glued these little cardboard pieces because it didn't have like the little flaps already on it. And yeah, this is my little ratchet makeshift thing, but look how cute and poppin' it is. Oh my god. So since it's a corkboard, all I needed was pins or thumbnails to stick it on there. And yeah, this is another option for you guys. But like I said, you do not have to go extreme like me. I just love arts and crafts. Like, this is my second vision board, and I went kind of all out, and I love it. And I'm gonna keep it like this actually for another year. I'm just gonna change some things. I haven't started. I'm actually starting with you guys. I'm gonna do the whole little protocol, whole little plan thing that I made for you guys. So I'm gonna start today actually. So yep, this is it. Here's like the little categories. This is for travel. This is for like my spirituality, just like my mental health, health and body. This is like relationships. And then this one, passion, is like skills I want to learn and like things that resonate with me. Like I love dancing, like stuff like that. And then financial freedom. This one is for pretty much finances and attracting money. I mostly use this one. I didn't put specific things, which, you know, I should have, but I just wanted to learn to love and see money as a good thing, not as a bad thing. And yeah, I'm gonna make a video about that because they try to make us think that money is evil, but money is just a tool. It's only evil if you use it as evil. So you're always gonna be freaking broke and not attracting money if you see it as a bad thing and stuff. So I've been trying to see the good in money, and yeah, it's been working. Things are changing up in my life, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. But anywho, let's start with my car. I actually attracted this car, which is insane. It's not green or souped up like with this body kit, but I have this exact car now. Before I had like a cute little 2007 Prius, and like this whole thing happened where I talked about it in one of my videos, the darkness video. But now I have this car. It's in white. It's very cute. You know, I'll post a video up so you guys can see. So that happened, which is awesome. This one is for starting my YouTube, videography. I like stuff like that and like editing. And what's crazy is I never learned from anybody. I just been learning while I've been, or how did he say? I just been learning on the go. Like every time I make a video, something will pop in my head like, oh, I want to do that. And like I just figure it out or Google it or YouTube it and figure it out on this like editor I have on my phone. But yeah, guys, just start. I didn't have no training in this and I feel like I'm doing pretty good and getting better. So if I can, you can. This one is for me being fluent in Spanish, which is pretty much accomplished. I'm not like the best, but I can talk and like I can speak in Spanish to anybody and communicate with them like very freaking well. Like even my parents and people are like, oh, you speak good Spanish. Like I still need work and sound like a freaking gringa, but it's okay. Look how I said gringa. And yeah. Hablo español y es muy feliz que yo pueda hacer eso y todavía estoy aprendiendo, pero está bien porque puedo hablar. Y sí, it's funny hearing me speak Spanish. I still have a lot of work to do, but that happened. Right when I put this, I've been wanting to learn Spanish and be fluent or at least speak it. Like I would speak it and get by, but I would be struggling. Now I can like actually like speak to people and it's easier. And once I put that on my vision board, it happened this year. I've been trying to do this for years, so that's another big accomplishment. This is for just taking hip hop classes. I love dance and never taken dance classes until like a year ago. And it's always been my passion, just dancing. And I love all types of dance. So I wanted to do more, add hip hop to my, regiment. So been to some hip hop classes that happened. Snowboarding, actually did that in Colorado. That was pretty awesome with my friends. This is for rave festivals, and I actually went to two. Went to EDC Orlando and EDC Las Vegas, and that was freaking legit. And I'm going to way more this year coming up. This one was here for me to just get more connected with nature, get grounded. I've been, telling you little by little about grounding. I still had to make my video, I know, but I did lots of this in freaking Ecuador. Like Ecuador, I accomplished a lot of things on my vision board. Learning Spanish, eating fruit, which I'll get to that. Going to Ecuador. Just a bunch of stuff it accomplished for me. And yeah, we would climb mountains barefoot, go through the jungle barefoot, and like I felt super connected. It's just a feeling that is kind of hard to describe, but I'm gonna try in my grounding video. Here's, the body, and this one for abs. Mama definitely manifested some abs. I got abs now, so that's pretty awesome. Like I said, be specific. So I was like, what do I want my body to look like? What certain things do I want? I want abs. Mama got abs. This one is for learning the splits. It's a middle split, but it was really meant for a side split, but your girl can do a split now. So I'm actually going to change this picture to another different middle split, just so I don't want to use the same picture. But now this year I'm going to learn middle splits because now I can do regular splits. And I've been wanting to do a split all my life since I was like little and wanted to be a cheerleader and never been able to. Now I put it on my vision board. Guess who can do splits? Yeah. This one is really cool. Yeah, here's a forearm handstand. I like doing yoga, and this is like the inversions and the more extreme yoga, I guess you can say. And I love it, and your girl can do this now. Like, it's pretty freaking awesome. So first things first, clearly I manifested Ecuador, even though that clearly says Argentina, but I don't know why. It was meant to be Ecuador because I was like, I'm going to Fruit Haven, but for some reason I thought it was Argentina, and when I noticed, it was funny. But I never changed it, but I manifested that. Fruit, I never been a very sweet tooth or person that likes sweet things. I'm more savory, so I wanted to learn how to eat fruit because fruit is a high vibrational food you can eat. It's literally a gift from nature, from the trees. So I had to learn to eat it, and guess what? Your girl went to a raw vegan community where she learned how to actually enjoy eating fruit, so that happened. This one right here was only here to remind me to be patient. Patience, of course, I glued that on there, but to enjoy the journey, because it's like we always want to rush things and forget to just be present and enjoy what's going on. We always want to be in the future, like enjoy the now, and that's why I got that. But what's crazy is now I'm actually going to buy a van and convert it into a home and road trip in it. So that's pretty funny that that's there. Okay guys, so that was some of the things I manifested in my 2019 vision board. Hope that gave you some motivation. Yeah, freaking get started now. Day one is right now. It takes you 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes to write down and brainstorm, like, what do I want this year? What do I want to accomplish? Do I want a new car? Do I want to travel to Bora Bora? Do I want anything could happen and you can't accomplish it. No dream is too big, guys. When I first started out, you know, that's the most I ever traveled, and I put a lot of places on there, and I even traveled a lot this year, and I didn't even put as much places as last year, and I still traveled a lot. So the sky's the limit. Don't hold back. Be specific and get started now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. This is peace, love, and Lefty. Bye.